What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another recap of trading. So this week was pretty crazy week in the Discord. We hit it off so many players, and today I would like to start with AMC because this was a banger of a trade. I'm going to show you guys on screen how unbelievably great this trade was. So this was a $28 put option, same day expiry for AMC. I alerted it at 25 cents. We got in, well, I personally got in at 27 cents. It ran up all the way to $2.13 per contract. That is about 688% returns in one single trading day. Now, it took about 1 hour and 45 minutes for this trade to really hit the maximum heights. And I think if you got in this trade, no matter where you got in, you made money, you banked. So with AMC, we played off the news and also technical analysis. It was pretty weird because Thursday, AMC dropped over 8% in a day. And after hours, news came out about the CEO selling almost $10 million worth of shares. And that kind of gave me the indication, you know what, this thing is about to drop even more tomorrow. It also lost a critical support level around $29.96, I believe, somewhere around there. And I thought that in collaboration with the CEO or CFO selling $10 million worth of shares and the fact that the stock is looking pretty weak right now, you have to take advantage of these puts. And that's exactly what we did. Buying puts are open, which sold off quickly. And of course, our contracts just ran up. I was happy that I managed to alert this one in the Discord. I obviously provided it to the team so they could eat. But yes, sometimes you do got to play off, different bits of news, different things that are happening around the world, and also look at the flows. There was so much volume coming on the flows for $29 puts, $30 puts, $28 puts, $26 puts, all expiring today. With all that kind of news, especially again, you can find on Chatterquant. With that kind of news, you've got to take advantage of it and make the most of it, and then snipe your opportunity. It's nice to be done, within 2 hours of trading day, make your money, and then dip. So again, make sure you guys always use that kind of thing to your advantage with platforms like Chatterquant. I have a link in the description below where you guys can sign up and get a little bit of a discount. But with all the different features it has, it's definitely worth it, especially when it helps us make, $300-400 in a single trading day. Now, that being said, that wasn't the only hot trader today. We also traded Costco. We did Costco earnings. We traded Costco earnings. We set a call option for $545 from yesterday till today. This is an unbelievable swing trade. Options just ripped. This stock just rallied and we made money. Now, not only that, guess what? We traded Chewy puts, but here something kind of weird happened. So we traded Chewy puts for about $40 strike price. And even though Chewy tanked after earnings, obviously it didn't drop all the way to the $40. It dropped around to $50. So our contracts kind of got ruined. If you traded $50 puts or maybe $55 puts, you definitely made some money. But the $50 puts was about it. I mean, $40 puts didn't really go well. Now, overall this week we've had such great fun in Discord. Qualcomm was another trade that we banked off this week. I'm telling you, it was an unbelievable trading week. I used Chatterquant a lot, and this week it really helped me. So what happened with Qcom is we bought it around here, 182. Then Thursday it shot up to 187.64, and we had $187.50 strike price. So our contracts became in the money pretty quickly. Again, another great trade. Now, one trade which hasn't gone as well as expected so far is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. But the good news is we're swinging this until next week, and it's showing signs of life at the end of the day. So we're trading $277.50 calls for next week. We got them around here, $264, and I'm just going to say hold tight with this one. If you want to cut out, then you can take your losses and move. But I'm just going to say for now, hold tight. I mean, the market does get choppy, but even in this choppy market, I'm finding some unbelievable plays. You got to say that. So if you want to get some plays like this, please definitely join the Discord. I'm telling you guys, it's definitely worth it. You guys are going to make your money back literally ASAP. AMC, Qualcomm, Salesforce, Chewy, Costco, between all of these, you probably made some money. Now, Oracle. Oracle was traded by a lot of members in our group. I didn't get in on this one. They traded this, and look at the call options they placed. From 88 all the way up to $103. Unbelievable trade. This is what happens when you play earnings, and that's what happened with Costco as well, with Chewy as well. If you get the direction of the stock right, you're going to make money on these. I don't like to trade earnings, but this week I traded earnings, and majority of my earnings plays actually paid off. Now, speaking of earnings plays, let's look at ChargePoint, because we traded ChargePoint earnings. We traded this with puts and calls, so we swung puts from last Friday into this week, and then we swung some call options back on the way up. So call options did a home run. You guys probably saw that in Discord as well. Put options got around 71% returns from Friday till Monday. Charge point going forward, I'm not really sure about it. It's kind of hovering around a $20 price point. It's not really one I'm looking at right now to buy options on. I'm just kind of letting it do its thing after we've already made our money on it. Next up, let's stick with the electric vehicle sector. Let's look at Lucid. Lucid. So Lucid has been trading down. It dropped 18% from Wednesday to Thursday. Look at that horrible drop. $44 all the way to $37, $36 before coming back up today and then selling off and then rising again. So it's kind of in a weird pattern right now. Not something I would touch, but it's just something for you guys to keep your eyes on next week. Now, actually, I'm going to produce a video on Sunday with all the stocks that you guys can watch ahead of next week. But please do not miss out on that. So make sure you guys hit your notification bells. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys share these videos so more people can see them. And of course, make sure you guys drop the thumbs up and like this video. Also, I don't want you guys to sleep on Apple stock, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple keeps rallying. People want to buy puts on it, but it just keeps rallying. It might not be time for puts yet. It's now $178.85. This is definitely a stock to watch next week. I'm looking at the $180 calls for next Friday. So please check out Apple. Again, I'm going to say it. Please check out Apple. It's gone up about $10 or $11 this week, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure how long it's going to keep going, but follow the trend. If it's staying on the uptrend, stay with it. Oh, it's up $15 this week, almost 10% this week, almost $180 right now. Apple is behaving monstrously and it's still up after hours. And then another stock I want to look at, MTK. Got some interesting flows for this one. If you guys want to see flows, you can sign up to Chatterquant and get options flows on various stocks. But this is a weird stock, but it's kind of just steadily uptrending. So just keep your eyes out on that. MKesson. I also want to touch on GameStop because there's some puts coming in for this week and it dropped this week. But there are also some puts coming in for January. So I'm kind of intrigued to see what GameStop does over the coming couple weeks. Towards the end of the year, I want to see if it rallies. I mean, today it managed to, gain some momentum after selling off Tuesday and Wednesday after earnings. So yeah, GameStop is one to watch. Look at the rally. Last 1 hour, power hour for GameStop. It ended up the day green after having a red day the majority of the day. Also, I'll just drop Macy's in here too. It's almost Christmas time, guys. 2 weeks to Christmas Eve. Just about 15 days till Christmas. Macy's, is it going to do that Christmas run? That end of the year run? That festive season run? Who knows? I would personally look at the $27, $28 calls for end of December if we can get a run going. It's sitting around $26.78 right now. It's not a bad price point, but it has sold off heavily over the past month. If you think back to 18th of November, it was around $37.53. Compared to now, it's at $26.78. That's about a 34% drop off. So yeah, it has some potential to recover. And as you guys can see, when it does get going, it really does move. Now, lastly, let's have a look at SPY. See what SPY does next week. SPY is sitting at all-time highs right now. End of the day, really strong, which is good for us, which is what we like to see. But who knows how we're going to open on Monday? SPY is looking quite interesting. We're coming back to those levels, getting closer to those all-time highs, around 470, 471. So it's something you guys can look out for. See if it pulls back anymore. There was some hard pullbacks this week, but we stayed strong, didn't let it shake us out of our play. But overall, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That is it from me. Let me know any of your thoughts as always. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys check out the stock option starter pack. The link is in the description below. It's that first link in the description. It's a $99 one-time payment. You get access to all the 10 different videos which explain the ins and outs of options. And you guys already know. Check out the Discord. That's where all the plays are posted. All the different call options, put options, different plays, different articles. All of that is posted in the Discord. So make sure you guys go and check that out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. That's it from me. I've got money to making. You got money to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.